Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a Facebook ad account. So first of all, open your browser and open this URL business.facebook.com, and once you're here you can click on login, or you can create a Facebook account by clicking here. So I'm gonna clicking on login. Now you can log in with your Facebook account. Also you can log in with your Instagram account. So I'm gonna selecting first option. To log in, enter here your Facebook account email address or phone number and password, and then click on login. And after that, click on create an account. And to create your ad or business account, enter here your account name and give here your name, and enter here your business email address and click on submit. And now we need to verify our email address, so click on done. And finally, here you can see I've successfully created my ad account. Now I can view my ad manager. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.